Hey guys, welcome to another RPG Maker MV tutorial with me, CloudTheWolf. In this video, we're going to go over item-based saving, which is a great way of allowing the player to save wherever and whenever they like, but only if they have the item. For this, we're going to need to create two items, the save book thingy and the ink. Let's start with the ink. The ink is going to be a normal item that is not consumable and has the occurrence set to never. The save book is going to be a key item that's not consumable and has the occurrence set to menu screen and has the effect to call in a common event. This is the one we'll use to actually call the save. First of all, in our common events, let's create a conditional branch. This conditional branch will check to see if the player has the item ink. We also need the else branch for this. Under the else branch, let's put a message to say they don't have the ink and can't save. After this is done, we just exit the event processing. Now that that's done, what happens if they do have the ink? Well, let's ask them, would they like to save? I was going to add a face graphic to this, but then I decided against it as that player may not actually be in the party. Now that you've done that, show the choices yes or no. You can change this to whatever you want, for example, save and don't save. Once we've done that, under the no option, we're just going to exit the event processing straight away because they said no. Under the yes option, we're going to open the save screen, and then we're going to take one item from them. Okay, that should work, let's test it. As you can see, it sort of works, but if the player cancels out of the save screen, they still lose the ink. We need to fix that. To do that, go back to our common event. Above the open save screen, we'll create a label. We'll call it start save. Next, we want to create a variable. We'll call it before count, and we'll set this variable's value to be the game data save count. Next, after the save menu, we want to create another variable. This one will be the after count. Next, we need to create a conditional branch, and we need to see if the before count is less than the after count. I nearly left it as before count to be greater than after count, which wouldn't have worked. Once again, you need to create the else branch. So, let's go over what's going to happen. First of all, we'll create a label. We'll then create a variable and make it equal the save count. We'll call this before count. We then open the save menu, and once that's closed, we want to create another variable called after count equaling save count and compare the two. If the after count is greater than the before count, we'll take the item. However, if that's not the case, we'll assume the player cancelled out and ask them would they like to cancel. I kinda messed up with the choices here, so it's gonna look wrong in the video, but I'll correct myself here. If they say yes they want to cancel, exit event processing, not like I did there where I said no. And under the no option, where they say they would not like to cancel, use the jump to label option, rather than the label option, to jump back to the label we created previously. Okay, let's go and test it. Start again by creating a new game. Now, we'll get our item. Next, we're going to save the game using the item. As you can see, we have 2 ink. So, we'll say yes to save, and then we'll actually save. Now you can see we have 1 ink. We'll go in and try and save again, say yes, but cancel out, and then say yes, we'd like to cancel, because we want to cancel. We'll then go to items, and we can see we still have the ink. So, that is how you go about setting item-based saving. If you enjoyed this video, and would like more tutorials, please leave a comment below telling me what you'd like to see. I hope you subscribe, and please remember to like this video. I've been CloudTheWolf, and thanks for watching.